Hello, what is your name?
Hello, my name is Jordan Albaynon.
How old are you?
I am 34 years old.
What is your religion?
Christian.
Are you married?
Single.
Do you have kids?
No.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
4 years and 6 months.
Okay, so do you have any working experience in other countries?
No.
So how long you been working with your current employer?
6 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Mid-level, central.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,300 square feet.
Okay, how many family member there?
Therefore,
How many children?
2 kids.
Okay.
And then 2 couples.
Okay, couple. Okay, so how old the kids?
3 years old and then 5 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at around 5:45.
Mm-hmm.
And then I prepare their breakfast because they have a school days. So I prepare their breakfast at 6:30.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, they will go. I will send them to the school bus. And after that, I will go back home.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, I will clean the house. And at around 9 o'clock, I will go to market. And after that, I prepare lunch at around 11:45. And then the other will go back home at around 12 o'clock. So they will eat their lunch at around 12:30. And in the afternoon, I will iron the clothes. And then after that, I will send. And after that, I will iron. And then after in the evening, I will cook
Dinner. Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
around 6:30.
Okay, so what time they eat?
7.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Around 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.